Tired of blurry and pixelated photos? Let's breathe new life into your low-quality pictures in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your low-resolution image in Photoshop. Notice how blurry and grainy it is. We'll start by duplicating the background layer. This allows us to make changes without altering the original. Right-click on the background layer in the Layers panel and select Duplicate Layer, then give it a name such as Working Layer. Now, go to the Filter menu, then choose Nose and select Reduce Nose. In the Reduce Nose panel, experiment with the Strength, Preserve Details, Reduce Color Nose, and Sharpen Details sliders. Adjust them to reduce nose and maintain as much detail as possible. You can see the difference while toggling the Preview button. Don't overdo it. You don't want to soften the image too much. Click OK when you're satisfied. Next, to bring back some sharpness, go back to the Filter menu, then select Sharpen, and finally choose Unsharp Mask. In the Unsharp Mask panel, fine-tune the amount, radius, and threshold sliders. Increase the amount for sharpening, adjust the radius to control the area affected by the sharpening, and adjust the threshold to avoid sharpening nose or unwanted details again. Be careful not to overdo it. Click OK. Finally, compare the before and after. Your image should now be significantly cleaner and sharper. Experiment with these steps to achieve the best results for your specific image. Keep practicing, and your older images will look better than ever. Don't forget to save your work